Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a TV. I've just got this little TV stand set up, just for an example. So let's take this apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so let's move this aside. I've got all the pieces out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 by 2s. 1 by 1 cylinder piece. 1 2 by 6. 2 1 by 6 pieces, 1 2 by 4, and 1 by 1 chop, 1 by 2 by 2 tile piece. Sorry. Alright, so now let's get our TV set up. First, let's make our screen. Put all the black pieces for the front of the screen. Then let's get these. Put them on the side. And it looks like this. Then, you won't need this piece just yet. Fill in the back. Like this. And then get the 2 1 by 6 pieces, put them right there, and then you'll need to take this piece. Doesn't matter where you place it on the bottom, but I'll place it here. But first, let's place it on this piece. Doesn't matter where you place it. I'll put this. This isn't necessary. I'm just using it so that it works for the stand. And then just plop it on. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!